of Mice and Men, Chapter 3 Pop Quiz. What is the main reason that Carlson wants to shoot Candy's dog? Because the dog smells bad? Because the dog has gotten mean? Or because the dog eats too much food? Who tries to comfort Candy after his dog is killed? George, Crooks, or nobody? Who agrees to help George and Lenny pay for their dream ranch? Candy, Crooks, or Carlson? Who is Curly arguing with before he fights with Lenny? Slim, his wife, or George? What lie does Slim get Curly to agree to in order to explain the broken hand? Curly fell down the stairs? Curly got his hand caught in a machine? Or Curly lost a fight in his last boxing match? Why does Lenny spend so much time in the barn? He's afraid to go into the bunkhouse? He likes helping with the horses? Or his new puppy is in there? What does Slim compare Lenny to after Lenny tries to sneak his puppy into the bunkhouse? A kid, a thief, or a dog? Whit invites George to go into town with the other guys to visit what? A dog track, a poker room, or a cat house? What regret does Candy express to George? He wishes he hadn't lost his hand. He wishes he'd shot his dog himself, or he wishes he'd gotten married. What is Lenny afraid of after his fight with Curly? They'll get fired from the ranch? George won't let him tend the rabbits? Or Curly will beat him up in his sleep? Where did George and Lenny have to hide when they got in trouble in Weed? Inside a sewer? Under a car? Or in an irrigation ditch? According to Carlson, who should Curly be afraid to fight? George, Slim, or Crooks? What game are the men playing outside while Slim and George are chatting in the bunkhouse? Dice, horseshoes, or poker? Who was Bill Tenner, an old friend of Curly, the guy who was married to Lenny's Aunt Clara, or a former ranch hand? Susie owns the main cat house that the guys go to. Who owns the other? Curly's wife? Someone named Clara? Or nobody knows? How did you score?